Where's the chat?
So I have a
Lol. Chat is disabled. I've disabled chat. What? Why? It's not made for kids, man. Who the hell says made for kids? You can't chat with kids? Man, YouTube's crazy, man. Crazy motherfucker. Crazy motherfucker. There you go, now there's chat. Be right back. Hey, what's up? How you doing, Shay? How you doing? How you doing? Yeah, at least this is DMCA free. Hey, Sam. Why did you butcher your interview? What happened? Tell me all about it. I want to know what happened. Hey, Darian. What's up, G? G. Oops. There was an exception here that I wanted to look at. Pre-launch report. Publishing overview. Publishing overview. Close testing. Summary. What the hell is it? Anyway, it doesn't matter. Love your current live stream schedule. Yeah, well, come back from work. My wife puts the kids to sleep. That's the only time I have time. You know? Other than that, I'm either at work or, you know, dealing with personal shit. But yeah, it's been up and down, you know. Having a kid is the most difficult thing you can ever do in your life. My sound is very low. Which sound? The sound, my voice or the music? Because the music is on purpose low. What's low? Is it really low or is this guy deaf? Do you hear my son? 5 months. It's going crazy, isn't it? Yeah, it's going crazy. See, his mother always puts a certain amount of food and he always wants more. So I tell her, just put more to begin with. Stop going back and forth. She doesn't want to waste any. Good woman. What was I gonna do? What am I doing here? Why am I alive? Oh, it needs recharging as well. Asking about technologies pattern, the interview just told me about my projects. yeah, of course, they're gonna ask you about my projects. And then they will get to the technologies you use in those projects. Pretty typical. What I learned and nothing else, I didn't remember a lot of stuff, so I had to improvise on the fly. Yeah, you live to see another day. My youngest niece is 7 months, oldest making 2 years this month. Yeah, it's... you can see on my face how difficult it is to have children. I'm very, very not used to this because they really take your personal space. They strip you of yourself, basically. You lose your sense of self for it's very quickly, and usually your whole life you live, you know, for yourself. Everything you do is for yourself, and now suddenly everything you do, you can't do anything for yourself anymore. So it's a big shock. It's a big shocker. So no permissions. What does this thing do? Perfect. If I give you permission, you go to the scanner. And if I come here, perfect. Okay. Well, that's just perfect, isn't it? Perfect. Oh, hey, Jay. How you doing, buddy? Budoo. How are you, budoo? Add search bar. Ugh. This is gonna be tough. Do it later. I don't want to do this. I'm gonna have another file to store this stuff. Even I'm gonna store the package name as well. I'm gonna hide that. I'm gonna hide that from everybody. Key store properties. Add mob properties. Wow, this music's so bad. So terrible. Just because there's no DMCA. What do I do? What do I play? This? Whatever. Hello bro, thank you for sharing the senior Android position interview experience from Big Bang Corp. Really helped me get into a good offer. My interview video helped you get an offer? How? That wasn't my intention, let me be clear. But how did it help you? Secrets. Android. No. Secrets file. How do you store sensitive stuff? Google strongly recommends that you not check in an API key into your version control system. Instead, you should store it in the local secrets.properties file. Located root directory, excluded from version. I'm already doing this. And then you use a secrets Gradle plugin for Android. Secrets Gradle plugin for Android. Read secrets, including API from properties file not checked into version system control. The plugin exposes properties as variables. Nice. For create example. Okay. Installation and usage. Huh. I've never heard of someone using this. Target SDK compiler 34. Save. Open secret properties. And the following code. Replace API key with here. Save the file. Yeah, but now you're using it in manifest. What if I want to use it in build.gradle? Wow. Oh. Intention of interviewer. Yeah. The intention of the interviewer. I shared this stuff. You are one of the first videos I watched for interview preparations. Nice. Well, I'm glad to have been of help. Okay, let's try this. Top level. Class path. Yeah, how do I do it with version catalogs? Plugins. Class path. There's no class path stuff here. Do I just do this? What's my opinion on KMP, KMM? You think it will die like Flutter? Well, you know, today actually I was asking here on Kotlin Slack. I was asking a question about billing. Billing, like the library, is it working for multi-platform yet? So this guy answered something pretty eye-opening. He says you can declare a common interface and wrap the implementation on each platform. Bottom line, that's what makes KMP really powerful. You don't need to wait for nobody to make a KMP library for you or provide KMP support for their SDK. In fact, I've noticed that this is what's killing Flutter. Many people complaining about packages not being up to date and taking a long time to update. That's because most SDKs provider companies prioritize the native ones. And if they have time and resources, they do the multi-platform ones. So I said, can you provide an example? And he did. This article, which calling platform-specific dependencies in KMP. So he does, I think, coin here, or he does something to do with, yeah, coin. And then Firebase in the other example here. So if that's correct, then this circumvents all the other issues where, oh, billing is not supported or the other thing is not supported. You just make a wrapper. So that's my opinion, whatever he said. Hi, I am junior Android dev and I am trying to get my head around clean architecture. Could you please have a quick rundown how's your app structure looks like, where you put mappers and stuff? You don't need clean architecture. Uncle Bob Martin is a dog. You need to learn MVVM, not clean architecture. Especially since you are a junior. Do not overwhelm yourself with silly stuff. Plugins, right? Yes, this is a plugin. Goes here. I'll just call it Gradle Secrets. Sync. What? 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 Why? Let me think. Gosh. Why? Name and group. Oh. Doesn't it take a version? Yeah, it does take a version ref. It's not plugin, man. Gradle Secrets. What do you want, man? Ah, there's no name. No. There is a name. There's no name. There's no name. Was it like that? Now see, this is what you get when you don't understand something 100%. Just spend 10 minutes doing trial and error. Fucking hell. It's working now. Successful. Okay. So what do I do next? So, but what, don't I have to do this part? So secrets properties file in a top level directory. What kind of sensitive information do I have here? Hello, my brother. I was coding on my own app. I guess this is sensitive. What are you up to? Don't I need quotes? Save the file. Okay. In Android Studio, open your module level. Edit the secrets property. If the secret property does not exist, edit the properties of the plugin. Local properties file. Just watching news. I saw your video. Oh, thank you for telling me exactly what you were doing. What kind of news were you watching, bro? What's on the news? Tell me. What's going on in the world? Okay, secrets of properties is here. The default secret values. This file can be checked in. What do you mean? I don't understand how this is done. Yeah, the world's going to hell, man. Local. What the hell kind of documentation is this, man? But then what the hell do I put in the local default properties, man? Does anybody know? What the hell do I do here? Just a dummy key or what? Hi, Muhammad. Your default API key. Oh. What the hell? This is useless. Why would I do that? I already do that with this. I have these files, I don't check them in, and this is how I read them. You cannot build this project from a machine except this one. That's so useless. Life is suffering. Oh god, I just exposed my key store. And my add mob. Oh my god. We're gonna do something nobody's ever done before. Lol. What for? Nobody knows. Yeah, like that. You know how we can implement group audio call feature? Is there any free platform which we can use? Thing I found is to use WebRTC. Yeah, WebRTC is the best solution. You need to go figure out how WebRTC works, and it is definitely the best solution. Don't think of anything else, because whatever you think of is going to be using WebRTC, or they're stupid. Video, audio, there's a no-brainer. Oh, this is... What can I say? Namespace here? Does that work? That doesn't work, does it? That doesn't work. So OS asked in Android. What? What's OS? Am I being known for Android interview topics now? Am I the Android interview guy? Have I become this guy? Yeah, I know it stands for operating system. What do you mean operating system is asked in an Android interview? What about the operating system? No, the answer is no. Or yes, I don't know. Must contain any of the following characters. Oh. Ah. Interview videos are so good. Really? Nice. Oh, okay. Stack Overflow. Wow. Okay, so do you need this then? That's what you need. No? What about this? Like that? You're the guy. Difficult times of Android development. Yeah, Android development is difficult. Amen. And this heart is coming in between me and the chat. I can't see the chat because of the heart. It's such bad UI. Look at that. Stupid fucks. KSP is too old for 1921. Please upgrade. Yeah, I can do that. So you need what? 1921 and then here 15, right? No? 1921 was 16 even? Wow. Okay. Stack Overflow. What if I do this? God damn it. What am I doing wrong here? Gotcha. No? As a developer, 4 months. Any advice? Depends. Depends. What does it depend on? 4 months. Are you working as an Android developer? Or you've been learning it for 4 months? Unbelievable. I don't think you can do that. Okay. You can't do that. And I'm too ashamed to ask why, because nobody ever does this. I'm just being cute. You know how I'm very cute. Whatever. Yes, in a startup, learning for the first 2 and working my first real app. Well, my advice is stick to your job, do it well. That's my advice. And don't learn XML and stuff like that. Just do compose from the beginning. Don't let them convince you that, don't let anybody convince you that you need to learn XML. It's useless right now. Unless you're taking over some legacy code, which I don't think you are, because you're too new. Why would I give you legacy code, right? So just do compose and Google everything. Just Google everything. Don't think. Not now. Don't think too much. You get hurt. You hurt yourself. Daily schedule. Work from home? No, I go to work every day. Work from home. So that's out the window. Okay, two things abandoned so far. Let's see what else we can abandon. I think this needs to be 157, right? 157? Yeah. Nope. Yeah, this is gonna be 157. Watch. WFH. What the fuck? What the hell? Bro, people say compose multi-platform is not stable, so is still good time to learn, or native is the best thing. People say a lot of things. You have to make the decision. But I think it's stable enough to try. But production? I don't know. No, not yet. Not because it's not stable, because you won't know how to leverage the real power of Compose multi-platform. Like, you don't know how to make a wrapper around the service and make iOS use it the same way Android's using it, and really make use of what Compose multi-platform actually does. It takes some skill. I don't know how to do it. I just asked this guy on the Slack for Kotlin, and he says, do 1, 2, 3. I'd never heard of that. I thought if there's no library for billing, then it's not supported on Compose. Turns out you can use the one for Google and make a wrapper or whatever. But that needs some skill. I don't think native is going anywhere. Long story short. So we abandoned 2 things. What's next? ChatGPT, what a useless thing. This is out the window. Copy this immediately. I did this already. Nearby share. How do I hack NASA? I've created an app and I have a button which says hack NASA, but when I click it, nothing happens. I check my internet's working too. You should be on the same Wi-Fi. First rule. You need to be on the same Wi-Fi. Huh. Find it funny? Funny boy. What am I doing? Yeah, I'm just hanging out. What am I doing? What do you think I'm doing? Just hanging out. Enjoying myself. That's what I'm doing. Yeah. What I'm doing is delaying the difficult task. That's what I'm doing. I know there's something difficult that I want to do, but I'm delaying it. That's what it looks like. Why do people watch streams? Why are you watching me? I'm a guy sitting in my room. What are you watching me for? You can sit in your room. Why don't you watch yourself? Why? Why do people watch streams? Weird, right? What do you want? Hmm? Oh. What the hell? Unable, why? Was it non-existent class? Your father is non-existent. What if I do, I'm gonna do nothing, man. I'm just gonna roll back. What the hell is this shit? Roll back, bro. No, I don't wanna roll back though. Okay, keep it here. Let's do here. Not only watching, we are becoming good friends day by day. Yeah, I'll give you my number. You call me. Come eat with me for dinner. My friend. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, you are my friend. Your name is my son's name. Of course, you're gonna be my friend. Yeah, my number is in some video. A lot of people call me, man. And they don't call me. They talk to me on WhatsApp. Like, what the hell? Whatever. Whatever. I'm a man of the people, man. I help the people. The people. The thing that's hard that I want to do is steal this code. I want to steal this code with the search screen and search bar. I want to steal this and put it in my project. But it's like surgery. You can't just copy paste. There's so many things. It's literally surgery. So it's I'm delaying that a lot. Look how many view models they pass here. Oh my god. Such a terrible application, man. This now in Android. What a terrible piece of work. But the search bar is pretty nice, so that's what I want. Why? Why, man? Why? Okay, roll back. Oh, you talked with me on WhatsApp and I guided you? Wow, what a nice guy I am. Nice. Do you go to work every day? No, now it works. Okay, well I'm gonna keep trying until it works then, since I know that it does. What was this? 821? So Android Gradle plugin. Did my wife say anything? No. That is not watch you daily. You watch me daily. Wow. Well, thank you, man. 8.4, 8.3 minimum Gradle required. 8.4. What Gradle am I on? 8.2. So I'm gonna go 3, 4. 3. And what about this plugin version? 3. Yeah. 3, 4. Some part-time from 10 to 2. Wow. That's a lot of work. Bro. No 8.3? Okay. So, roll everything back. Abandon the third thing now. It's the third task we abandoned. But who's counting? My chair costs 200 euros, man. It's nothing. I want to buy though, I want to buy this chair someday. Very cool chair. All the pros are using it. Wow. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Wow. I can be like this guy. Seems so peaceful. This is what I want to do with my life. What an idiot. Okay. So there was an issue of, yeah, let's do this one. This is an easy one. If I go add book here, if I say, yeah. If I say 7, and I say 7 here, 6, and I say this, is it gonna crash, right? No? Huh. Okay. But I remember this was a crash that I got here. Maybe internal testing. Show summary. Release history. View release details. There's some issues here. 4 features. Downloads. What the hell is it? Open testing, close testing, manage track, show summary, release history, app bundle required features. There's some issues. Where are they? Pre-release report. مش ما يطلع. There it is. Number format exception for input string. كيف يعني? So this is a number. Add book screen. Where did you enter this? Line 143, right? So 143, no, 143, go. Title. What did you input exactly this? No. No. Okay, so that's easy to fix. Page count is not empty. This is missing. Yeah. No. Where was this is digits only thing? I just added it? Page number field. Page number and page count. Do I have a page count field? Yeah, I do. But why do I have two of these? Page count not empty, page count is digits only, yeah. Yeah, they're different. Form validation is the worst, man, honestly. Honestly. Okay. Okay, what I want to do is scroll to the bottom whenever a book is added. I think that's handled, I think. Number format exception for input string OX. So it's trying to parse long. Somewhere long is trying to be parsed. And then you give it a string and it doesn't parse it. Ah, that's because I allowed you to press add book even if you didn't have digits only. And you will see here, there you go. So this is solved, yes. I solved it. You're drinking water, come join me, I have extra glass. I should drink water actually. Before I die. How old are you, Hamza? Depends on what you mean by good career. Yeah, you sound 24. What do you mean good career? See, the problem with your generation is you speak in generalities always. What do I do to become better? Is Android good? How do I become the best? What should I do with my life? It's such general questions that have no real answer because they're so general. Good job opportunities compared to web developers' salaries. You know, if you're good with Android, or if you're good with web development, or if you're good with, you know, low-level C++ stuff, you will get good opportunities and great salaries regardless what you do, because you're very good. The advice is be very good. Whatever you're gonna do, just be very good. Because when you're very good, you will get a lot of money. Well, not a lot of money. Yeah, if you're very good. I'm not very good. I'm good, but I'm not very good. You know, I make $500,000 a year, yes. Yeah, but if you're very good, you will get a lot of money because it's, see, you get paid because of three things. how good you are at what you do, how desirable what you're doing is, how in demand it is, and how easy it is to replace you. These are the three things that determine how much you get paid, always and forever. So if you can be very good at something, and that something is very much in demand, and not many people do it, you're gonna get a lot of money. So Android is hard to do well. Why does this keep happening? What is this? What if I do this? 3. Yes, Android is hard to do well, so that's cool. How good you are at what you do, that's gonna be done. How easy it is to replace you, regardless, even if it's easy to not easy to do, everybody's doing it. There are a lot of smart people in the world. So easy to replace you is hard with Android development. It is easy to replace you. And how in demand it is, it's very in demand. So you got 2 out of 3. You choose. Can't have them all, you know. CEO of a company is not very easy to do, so it's not very easy to replace you, and it's very much in demand. So you see a CEO have a lot of money or something. Just be very good, man. That's all you gotta do. Focus on what you're doing. Do it very well. That's the only thing that's gonna save you. Perfect. Perfect. Well, thank you. What the hell is this? When did this appear? Huh? Senior remote jobs are not much secure. I don't know. It's a weird claim. Am I freelancing? I have freelancing coming up, but it hasn't been reaching fruition yet. But it's been in cooking for a while. But it's React. It's not Android. It's a React website. So I don't know where that's gonna go, but it should be big, maybe. The saving, what is happening with this saving thing here? How did it let me run without an else? Else do nothing. No? Okay. Don't use an else. There's no other status, man. Is there? Loading, success, failure. That's it. Shouldn't this be a sealed interface? There you go. Fucking, isn't that genius, man? I work at 12 hours? No, I don't. No, I don't. Look how much I work. Bro. This is how much I work. You're crazy, man, if you think I work that much. Yeah, of course, I'm always reading a book about programming. This is how much. This is a working day here. Four hours. This is my own app on a Friday where I was supposed to be working. 0 on other projects. Saturday I worked on my own app and I did the stream where I GitHub users. Sunday I worked nothing. Today I did 3 hours and a half and now I'm doing 1 hour here. Yeah, but when am I gonna do it? Because you need a strong will. You need a strong will. I'm gonna finish this fucking project. I'm gonna do it. There is nothing that can stop me. I have a strong will, yeah. Because I'm angry. I channel my anger into doing things. Otherwise, I would go into a very bad path. Or a bath. No. I'm lucky that they don't. Well, it's 9 to 6, right? But there's not a lot of pressure. Because, well, I finished everything, basically. There's a new app coming in my company. And that's gonna have a hard deadline. But it's not there yet. They're doing it for iOS first. They don't want to do it on both platforms and then start, fixing this and fixing that. They're just gonna finish it iOS first, and then my turn comes. So that bug is fixed. That's great. Let's try and steal this. Let's try it. Okay, new project. If I steal this successfully, I'm gonna make a video out of it. NIA search, I'm gonna call it. NIA search. My thoughts on using UI state class? Amazing. You should. You must. And that's exactly why I'm gonna steal this one, because I like how they use it. Search contents, what does that do? See, they use the interfaces as well. That's so nice. I want to be a person that does that. Such neat code. So nice. But let's not get carried away. What do they use this for? No, it has its own products. Okay, one thing at a time. Search query is getting. What the hell is this? Okay, Who passes this to that? It's so complicated, man. Yeah, ads, and they sell the app. They sell it. It's complicated. I'm afraid of it. How do I steal it? I didn't. This is not my code. I'm trying to steal this code. When the state is loading or load failed, return unit. If search is not ready. Okay, just show me the view model. This I don't understand. What the fuck is this? So you're getting, who's setting if you're getting here? Where is the setting? You monkey. You monkeys. And Google are a bunch of monkeys, man. Good night, man. Look at this music, man. I'll take by this example, man. This is the example you need. Success has your data. And the rest are like this. So not everything, but the things that are related to what you're trying to do and are in the same state, you put them like this. There are some companies who ask it, yes, but not all of them. It's rare. You should know them anyway. Okay, seems we're gonna abandon this as well. So 4 things we've abandoned. I've abandoned everything I wanted to do in this stream. That's nice. Yeah, I can't. Eh, not gonna bother. Next. Bunch of monkeys, man, Google. Oh, thanks a lot, man. Converted? I was never anything else. Oh yeah, I was a non-believer for a long time. But no, I wasn't anything else to convert. Bam, bam, bam. Assalamu alaikum, bouncy people. What are you currently building yourself? Last time you caught you at the very end of your stream. Yeah, you did the same today, bro. Not trying to build anything right now. I'm just trying to understand this code that they have for search bar. Trying to copy it. شو مجح على حمود؟ Wow. Damn, it's like 11. It's 11. Yeah, let me smoke a cigarette real quick. Yeah, see you, man. I want to do something first, though. So this is how the state thing works, right? Yeah, she does allow me. Not in the house though. There's a, oh, wait a minute. That's pretty cool. What's this? No, no. What about if it's empty? Who calls this? Who calls the Dragon Knight? Who calls the Dragon Knight? Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna code. I'm just trying to explain this to myself. If empty data, no. If loading. State.success. State.loading. If error. State.error. So you got like a state. Like that. Antiquary? Where the hell did that come from? What? Query? What? Oh, what do you do with that? Oh my god, that's so smart. These monkeys at Google are really smart. Okay. Load failed. Search not ready. Where do you use that? Oh. It's now an Android. What the hell? What the hell is even that? What the hell? What the hell is even that?
You're trespassing on my property. Get the hell out of my yard.
JT, let me have this house.
JT let you have my house.
Yes.
My shed.
I want it.
You're trespassing on my property. You didn't win in my yard.
Wait.
All of you.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that? Get everybody out of my yard.
Lol. What the hell is even that? What the hell is even that? Get everybody out of my yard. Else what? Else? Ah, yes. Is it success? What? Oh wow, they're so smart, man. That's why they're Google, you know. That's why they're Google. You know. I think it's doable. I'm gonna do it. State in? I give it the old state in. Give it the old. What does this belong to? This is this. Give it the old state in, right? The old state in. But I still don't understand what save state handle is doing. Ooh, so sexy. I love this code. I love this code. Okay, I'm gonna go smoke a cigarette. I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna end the stream, right? But I can still, I can see what you're saying when I'm outside, so I can still answer. What the hell is even that? Actually, I'm gonna need my gloves. This shit ain't a joke. Look at that. Look at this. Nice too.
POV, yeah.
Nice cigarette. Love it. Oh yeah. Still there, Darian? Darian the Marion. See that state shit? That's what everybody needs to do. It's so useful. ياسين مع مين انت بالحرب يا ياسين؟ اكيد مع الغزاوية. Damn, it's so cold. This cigarette's damn good though. You know something, guys? Life is hard. So what you gotta do is be hard. You gotta be harder, actually. Because if something's hard and you're hard, it's gonna come down to who's harder. If you're not harder, then life is harder than you. Then life is going to be hard. If you're harder in life, then it's going to be easy. How do you become hard? Well, you got nothing but yourself in this life. So you got to be hard on yourself. That's the answer to everything. That's the answer to all life's problems. Be harder on yourself before life becomes harder on you. Grab the chance while you still can. Don't smoke. That's deep, bro. That's so deep, bro. What the hell is even that made me remember Global Glagangab? What is that guy? Oh, you mean David Goggins? No, not that kind of hard, no. Well, maybe. The guy's not... You know, just because someone's popular doesn't mean they're wrong, you know? He does have some sense in what he's saying. No. You don't need to join any military, you need to join anything. You only need to stop your bad habits. That's it. If you can do that, you are harder than that man. That man is chasing the feeling of being hard. He's also a victim of chasing something. And he's chasing the wrong thing. To be hard all the time and show off that I'm hard and I'm strong and I'm whatever. This is also a victim of the same loop. It's still wrong, in my opinion. You know? Everybody's chasing something. What you need to do is defeat yourself. Only. Let's see, let's look it up. How am I gonna copy this shit? Copy, paste. YouTube, I presume. I'm not gonna watch this. What am I, 5? Thought you were talking about something meaningful. So all you need to do is defeat yourself. What did Imam Ali say about this? أنفسكم ميدانكم الأول. قال أمير المؤمنين عليه السلام: ميدانكم الأول أنفسكم فحاسبوها قبل أن تحاسبوا وزنوها قبل أن توزنوا فإن انتصرتم عليها كنتم على غيرها أقدر وإن خذلتم فيها كنتم عن غيرها أعجز فجربوا الكفاح معها أولا. These are the smartest things you will ever hear. Let's translate. Your first field of battle is yourselves. So be held accountable before you are held accountable. And weigh it before you are weighed. If you are victorious over it, you will be more powerful than other things. What a shitty translation. You will be more powerful to be victorious on other things. And if you failed, you will be less powerful on other things. So try struggle first. Imam Ali. Yes, I am Arabic. Don't I look Arabic? Do I look Spanish to you? نحن العرب. Smartest people on earth. عودة اسمي علاء من أشد المعجبين. جيت باك كومبوز ساكن بدالس بحبك وأنا بحبك as well. Yes, جهاد النفس. The hardest thing in the world. جاهدوا أنفسكم. لبيك يا حسين. Okay, I will have to go. Mantik Omar, we will see you later. Hopefully, I love you too, my friend. But it's 11 p.m. here. I have to go have dinner, something. I'll be back tomorrow probably. Victory. What? Yep. Good night, bro. أعطينك نصيحة. عندي مقابلة أخوي. أعطيني نصيحة. Watch my video. Big interview with Big. Bank Corp. Watch that interview. Yeah. Good luck. تتصل فيه احكيني واتساب تتصل فيه. يلا السلام عليكم. أنا مش فلسطيني، أنا لبناني، ولكن أنا مثلك. احكيني واتساب. الموت لأمريكا، الموت لإسرائيل. Good night everybody.